Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Netflix controller is having Bluetooth issues, do not worry, you can fix it easily with a few steps. First, make sure Bluetooth is turned on in your phone settings. Next, disconnect or forgot any previous controller connection and try pairing it again. Then, restart your phone and TV to reset the Bluetooth system. Next, head over to your App Store or your Play Store and make sure both the apps, the Netflix and the Netflix game controller, are updated in your App Store. Then, put your phone closer to the TV to avoid signal interference. If it still does not work, turn Bluetooth on and off and try reconnecting. Also, check if any other Bluetooth services are interfering and disconnect them if they are. Now your Netflix controller Bluetooth issue should be fixed and working properly. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.